Switch to the NJ Data Map view and open the map properties for the NJ Data map. View the coordinate system settings. Type state plane into the search box and click Enter. Expand the state plane entry in the projected coordinate system folder. Scroll down and expand the plane NAD 1983 meters entry. Do not choose ones labeled Cores 96, PA 11, HARN, or anything else. Find the NAD 1983 State Plane, New Jersey, FIPS 2900 meters coordinate system. And click to select it. Also click the star to add it to your favorites. Click OK.